The 3D Innovations Lab is a way for us to use 3D technologies, from virtual reality, augmented reality, to 3D printing to help our patients here at this institution.
Yeah, the models have been terrific in a lot of different spaces. Number one, obviously, it's helpful for us to be able to see the anatomy before we perform a surgery. It gives us some, like having advanced GPS. We can kind of see where we're going to go, what to expect. So for planning and for experience and for going in an educated way, it's fantastic.
So we actually published a study recently, about 2 years ago, showing how 3D printing has helped improve our outcomes. And in that study we found that with the 3D prints we were able to decrease our surgical times. We were able to decrease the amount of fluoroscopy radiation that the patient was getting during the procedure. And we were able to get equal deformity correction with our preoperative planning and with these prints. So it's really kind of objectively helped our patient outcomes.
There are quite a few different benefits from the HP MJF technology. One, it has full color capabilities, so we can create really rich, detailed models. The powder type technology really enables us to create very fine, detailed features. And the nylon that's processed by the MJF enables us to have very strong models. It's been an incredible resource. So we brought it into the institution here, and it's been an incredible success. 3D printing and 3D innovations as a whole has a major role in a hospital. It helps our surgeons, helps our doctors, helps our students, helps the families themselves, helps the whole team. By creating a workflow that enabled 3D printing, we brought this incredible technology in-house. It's helping improve our patient outcomes, but also helping our economics and helping new opportunities for device design and fabrication.